Mare. So today is November 27th. It is the day after Thanksgiving, and Lizzie and I are in the car driving right now to go pick up the puppy. I'm so excited. I still don't know what I'm gonna call her though, because I'm just having a hard time. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to call her by my top 2 names and see which one she kind of responds the best to and which one really fits her personality the most. And my top 2 right now are Piper and Phoebe. I thought of Phoebe the other day because Friends, and my favorite character is Phoebe, so I thought that that was perfect. And also I can nickname her Phoebes and call her Phoebes and be like, come here Phoebes. I just thought that was really cute.
Hey Piper. Oh, she likes Piper. Phoebe. Piper. You are a natural. She's a model. Hey Phoebes. Hey Phoebes. Her belly is sticky. Have we decided on Piper? You're such a Piper. Hi Piper. Aww. Lacy and Piper meet.
Oh, look at that. I got a new mommy.
No,
It's a hot dog.
You are a good girl.
You're
I didn't realize how good girl. Yes, you are.
on a cell phone. Oh.
Tail wagging going on there.
Oh, you used to call me on my cell phone. Oh my God. Look at late night when you need my. Oh my gosh.
she's like, bye. See you later.
Hey.
Get a picture.
Lacy's a mommy.
Kind of nudging her along.
It's like a big dog.
You're a good girl. You're a good girl.
No.
Come cutie, come cutie.
Piper, come here, baby. Stay. Oh, Piper, Piper, Piper. Oh. Aw, Piper, you're so cute. You're so cute. You like my shoe? Go, Piper. Go, 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 Piper. Piper. Hey, Piper. Come here.
Oh yeah, I should go get her toys. She's like, she wants to play.
Piper. Stay. 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 You little rascal. Piper. Piper.
My fault.
Stare down. She's like, Lacy's tail.
At least you watch your feet.
She is following.
Chop, chop, chop.
So right now we're at Petco and I'm making a dog tag for Piper. I'll get it out. Thank you.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, Piper. No. Piper is sleeping on Lacy's bed right next to her. That's so cute. Oh my gosh.
I have struggled with OIC the whole time I take my opioid.
Maybe not. There's Ovantic can help.
They're best friends for life. Look how cute. Piper has her head on Lacy's paw. Piper and Lacy are having a little cuddle. Piper! Piper's ready for her first walk. I think she wants to walk herself. Let's go inside. Piper! Come on, you can jump. Oh, yay, good girl. Look at Piper's little walking outfit. Oh, it looks so cute. Piper has on her little Christmas sweater. Where you going, girl? Let's go. It's Piper's first walk, and she just went pee in the middle of the street. It's okay. We're making progress.
There she goes. She's following Lacy. Here, I'll go on the other.
Let's go, Piper. Let's go. Let's go, Piper. Got a new Christmas dollar. Oh my gosh. Come on, let's go. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Let's go.
Piper was kind of slacking off, so I had to pick her up. I think she's thinking it is a big world out here.
Piper. She's like, thank you, Mommy, for carrying me.